there is an important set of words that we will use a lot, and they are tēnei, tēnā, and tērā. Tēnei means this by me, tēnā means that by you, and tērā means that over there by neither of us. So, if a woman is standing next to me and she's about to sing, I could say, ka waiata tēnei wahine, this woman near me will sing. But if the woman is standing next to you, I would say, ka waiata tēnā wahine, that woman near you will sing. And if we're sitting in a concert and a woman gets up on stage and she goes to the microphone, and you could say, what's she going to do? I would say, ka waiata tērā wahine, that woman over there will sing. And everyone around will go, shh. So imagine, if you will, a dog over there, not near me, not near you, over there, and I have a plate of food. It could be steak, it could be sausages, could be dog biscuits, doesn't matter, irrelevant to the story. I can say, ka kai tērā kuri I tēnei kai. That dog over there will eat this food near me. Tēnei, tēnā, tērā. If Hana is walking from this house to that shop, kei te hikoi a Hana I tēnei whare ki tērā toa. Hana is walking from this house near me to that shop over there. Now, we have looked before at tētahi and ētahi. Tētahi means a, and ētahi is some. And so with these two words, we make the plural by removing the initial letter T. Tētahi, singular, take off the T, ētahi, plural. And the same thing happens with tēnei, tēnā, and tērā. We make them plural by removing the T. And so they become ēnei, ēnā, ērā, these things near me, those things near you, those things over there. So, if I am with a group of children playing, kei te tākaro, ēnei tamariki, these children near me are playing. If there are birds over where you are sitting, I could say, oh, kei te atahua ēnā manu, those birds near you are beautiful. Tēnei, tēnā, tērā, ēnei, ēnā, ērā. That's tricksy.